Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So if you click this video, you know that it's all about making Taylor Swift's chai cookie. I heard that she loves these cookies. I saw it on Instagram, and so I thought I wanted to give them a try because I really love Taylor Swift. I'm a big fan of hers. So if you want to see how it all turns out or how she makes it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So these cookies look really good, so I'm really excited to give them a try. So I'm going to start off by adding 1/2 cup or 1 stick of unsalted butter to the mixing bowl. And the butter was left out overnight just so that it's really soft and really easy to mix. So after a couple of minutes of creaming the butter and it's going to be nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil to the mix. And you definitely want to make sure that the oil and the butter is combined really well together. And of course, at different times you want to stop and just scrape the sides of the bowl because you definitely don't want to leave no ingredients behind. Now that the oil and butter is mixed really well, it's time to add 1/2 cup of sugar, along with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to add 1 large egg and make sure that it's left out at room temperature. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And now it's time to mix and combine all of these ingredients together. So in the middle of mixing, I decided to switch from the paddle to the whisk because I just don't want any lumps and I really want a smooth batter. So for the cookie recipe, you're going to need a chai tea bag, and these are the ones that I'm going to use, but you can use pretty much whatever you like. I thought these were really good, and yeah, this is what they look like. So all you have to do is just grab some scissors and you're going to empty the tea bags into the cookie dough. And I read someplace that this is Taylor's version of regular sugar cookies, you know, just to give it that seasonal twist and flair. So now it's time to add 2 cups of flour, along with 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And that's pretty much it as far as the dough is concerned. You're just going to continue to mix until the dough comes together completely. So the dough is all done, and this is what it looks like. It's not going to be dense at all, you guys. It's going to be light and fluffy. And so you just want to let it sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Now let's get started on the glaze. In a medium bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2 tablespoons of milk. And then you want to mix everything together with a spoon until the glaze is completely smooth. So the glaze is done. This is what it looks like, and an hour has passed, and let's get started making some cookies. So I'm going to line up my cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm going to take a tablespoon and scoop out some dough, and I'm going to line them up and make sure that you spread them apart because the dough is going to spread when you bake them. And after you line them up, just take your fingers and just press them down slightly. And at the very end, before you put them in the oven, just take a little bit of sugar and sprinkle it on top. So I've already preheated the oven at 350 degrees and I'm going to bake them off between 8 and 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes of baking in the oven, the cookies are finally done. They're golden brown, especially around the edges, and your kitchen is going to smell like a chai tea latte cookie factory. That's how good they smell. And of course, I'm going to take the icing and just spread it on top of each cookie. So Swifties, have you tried this cookie recipe? If you haven't, you definitely have to give it a try. They're a lot lighter and airy than I thought they were. They're really good, they're really delicious. And they taste like fall, which is the current seasonal era that we're in, and they're really, really simple to make. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this cookie recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.